Story now, an invisible poison making police officers sick in Auburn. 3 overcome by carbon monoxide in their own cruisers and hospitalized, including 1 who passed out and crashed. Because of this scare, Auburn police and other departments, including Boston, are testing their vehicles.
And all of this is happening to a specific type of cruiser here and across the country. Ken MacLeod is live in Auburn tonight with the very latest. Ken?
David, we're talking about Ford Explorers, model years 2011 through 2017. Those are the workhorse of police departments all across the country, including here in Auburn. More than a third of Auburn's 27 police cruisers sat unused tonight, sidelined by dangerous carbon monoxide somehow seeping into the passenger cabin while on patrol.
He said that he had just been involved in an accident and he had passed out.
This morning, an Auburn cop gently rear-ended another car at a stop sign after blacking out at the wheel of his brand new Ford Explorer. Chief ordered CO testing on all officers and the entire fleet of Explorers, sent 3 officers to the hospital with high levels in their blood, and knocked 10 cruisers out of service.
Well, obviously, it hinders operations and poses a safety threat.
A threat like when this police Explorer veered across oncoming traffic and crashed in California after the officer at the wheel passed out from CO poisoning.
I was surprised that it happened here.
In fact, the feds are now investigating some 2,700 complaints about exhaust in the passenger compartments of late model Explorers, causing dizziness, headaches, and nausea, several police departments among them.
There's nothing that we take more seriously than providing you with the safest, most reliable vehicles to support your life-saving work.
That was Ford last week when the company suggested that holes drilled while adding special police features after the SUVs left the factory might be to blame. Tonight, Ford disputes whether the CO readings in Auburn's cruisers were even enough to cause any problems. But the chief is taking no chances.
We've ordered carbon monoxide detectors which will be delivered and installed by tomorrow morning for every vehicle that we have remaining in the fleet.
Ford investigators surveyed some of the Auburn cruisers this evening, and the company later insisted it is way premature to draw any conclusions. Live in Auburn tonight, Ken MacLeod, WBZ News.